Hello, my name is Abhushan, currently studying Bachelor of Computer Engineering in Advanced College of Engineering and Management, which is affiliated on the 𝗏𝗏 University of Kathmandu, Nepal. I've come for a 45 days internship in KIET deemed to be university for my AI and research department. Currently, I'm working on AI Skills Lab under the mentorship of 𝗏𝗏 ma'am. I'm currently developing an ML model which detects cyber attacks in the firewall. The project name is Network Intrusion Detection System, in which I've applied different models like random forest and XGBoost to detect cyber attacks. I've also used the concept of 𝗏𝗏 and 𝗏𝗏 to detect the feature in which. So the KIET has helped not only to enhance my technical skills but also my professional skills. I've not only just learned the theory but also applied them in practical projects. In terms of communication skills and professional skills, I've learned about teamwork, presentation skills, and even learned how to handle pressure in dire situations. Apart from other universities, what motivated me actually to join KIET was it has good educators, but not only the fact that it has also been collaborated with many industries and startups and different organizations, which helps a lot. What I believe is academic growth comes from industry academic collaboration too. And apart from the fact that KIET is very clean, infrastructure well organized and very innovative compared to other universities. My current focus on the internship so far is working on ML based project. Currently I'm working on Network Intrusion Detection System, in which I've developed model using random forest and XGBoost. I've also used the concept of 𝗏𝗏 and 𝗏𝗏 to explain which feature contributes to the motion model. Apart from that, I've also used basic data pre-processing, encoding, feature handling, and other machine learning algorithms. Yes, I would definitely recommend other students to also join KIET. Apart from academic, it has best labs, research facilities, and center of excellence. Apart from that, the teachers, the mentors, the hostel facilities, and even the culture is very fine in KIET compared to other universities. So yeah, I would 100% recommend other international students to come and internship at KIET.